please all stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, a new graduate at the Sacred College of Tacloban City, do hereby solemnly pledge my loyalty to my alma mater, that I shall live and pursue the ideas, teachings, values, and principles that I have learned from my teachers in all my undertakings, and continue to uphold my Christian values in my relationships with peers and colleagues. So help me God. Congratulations, Pastor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the newest members of the Sector